Hey and welcome. In this video and the future ones, I will show myself doing some programming and sysadmin stuff, basically for the sake of documenting. So I figured it is it's just a nice way of documenting and never forgetting stuff. If you just capture it on video and so on. And today we're going to be setting up a new server, a new fresh server, BSD server running with ZFS. And this is my basic roadmap for now. And things I've planned for the future regarding sysadmin is like installing new software and applications which will run on the server, doing backups and obviously really important, doing advanced firewalling with PF and replacing my currently self-signed certificates with nice and shiny Let's Encrypt certificates, since it is open beta now. Yeah. Okay. So let's start with the server setup. I already have for automating this little script which will automate some of the things, and basically we're just gonna invoke that, and I will tell you on the fly what it exactly does. So here's its usage. So what we're gonna be doing is we are root on this machine, and we're gonna create a new user, and it's called BSD. Okay, like okay, I have to like do the password several times. Okay, this is for now my password for the new user, which we're gonna be changing immediately. Okay, so let's just look at this script and what it does. All right, so what it does is basically copies a second script onto the server first, which I will talk about in a bit, and it SSHs into the server and runs the script. Whoa. Copies your SSH key for the new user, and copies your ZSH. I'm using ZSH as my shell, as well as Vim config files to the server as well. Okay, let's look at the second script. So what the second script basically bootstraps PKG, which is the packaging system in BSD, and installs sudo ZSH as well as Vim Lite, and adds the user, the new user, which in our case is BSD, and yeah, sets its shell to ZSH, adds the user to the real group, and give it a random password. Okay. So the script is ready. No, it's not ready. It is done. It is finished. And basically, maybe I should have made this message a bit clearer for myself. So what I have to do now is I have to make sure to change the SSHD config to prevent root login. I have to change the user password, and I also have to change the prompt. So that's what we're going to be doing now. We can like SSH now into with our new user we just set up, and oops, don't we have the All right. All right. Oh, we were already in. Wait. So that's the problem. All right, we are already in. So that's the problem with the prompt. You see, we are already logged in into our server, but the prompt is the same as on my local machine on my MacBook. So we want to change that immediately. So the prompt is located in my ZSH plugins, no, themes, and I'm using this theme. Yeah. And we're gonna change this to blue. What? Wait. Something is going on with Vim. So yeah. Can't make backup file yet to overwrite. Actually, I'm not really that big of a Vim user, so I think something is missing in my no, wait. We're gonna be using like okay, I will figure that out later, but for now what we are gonna do is like move the Vim RC to no I don't know. I like it. Okay, so actually we can log in now without a password, of course, because we did the SSH copy ID onto the server. So we can log in with SSH key and don't need a password. So let's do that again. Oh my, yes, okay. I will have to figure out the thing with Vim later. Okay, now we have blue a blue prompt. Okay, what we gonna do next is change our password. What? No. Okay. Okay. At this point, we don't have the password copied anymore, so we're gonna use the item feature step back in time. Hopefully it works. All right. Yeah, here it is. Bam. All right. Okay, do that again. I can already have a new password already prepared. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna change the sudo rights for our user, and for this we're gonna need the admin credentials for for the root password, which we're gonna change immediately as well. Oops. What? Oh, come on. What the fuck? All right, now we root. And we're gonna do passvd, and I have also a password prepared here. In case you're wondering what this is 1Password, a really nice password manager. Okay, and we're gonna do the usual vi sudo and look for wheel, because we like added our new user Basti to wheel. We can just do this, and we're done. Can exit from here, and we can now do sudo ls, yes, and then we can do this stuff. So okay, what we have working is we have changed passwords, we have a new prompt for our new user, we have created a new user, and we can SSH, we can log in via SSH into our machine to the new user. And what we're gonna do now is change the SSH SSHD config. So this is located under etc ssh sshd underscore config. So port 22. The thing is, do I want to change this port? And I think I'm going to be doing it. Going to be port 5000. Just for security and so on. Next thing, which we'll be looking for is permit root login. Which is a permit. Oh yeah, here it is. We're going to be changing this to no. No. And then next thing is, do we want to use password authentication for SSH? Obviously, for security reasons, it is better to disable it, but for convenience, it is obviously a lot nicer, but I'm gonna disable it for now. So it is this, right? Wait, no. No. Oh, come on, Vim. This is okay. If you just want to set password authentication to no and challenge response authentication to no. All right, so this should do. So we can do sudo service shd restart the shd server, and now we can do ssh some unknown user or whatever, unknown user at our server, and it refuses the connection. And we can still do, right, we changed the port, so we do this. Okay, we're still in with our existing user, and if we do our unknown user, permission denied public key, and we don't have the possibility to enter a password and so on. So this is actually done as well. we configured SSH how we want it. Okay, so what do we have for now? We have our user, we have nice and strong passwords generated with one password for root as well as our new user. And at this time, I think this time to take advantage of the ZFS features, especially the ZFS snapshot. So what is ZFS? ZFS is a file system and yeah, it has really nice it has really nice features overall, but one feature we'll be using now is the ZFS snapshot feature. So we can like do snapshots of a file system at any point in time, and rolling back to this file system if you screwed up something to that point. Rolling back the file system to that point is really easy if you screw up something. So after we've done this initial setup, we're gonna do a snapshot now, and we're gonna be zero root. Wait, we wanna do, can't we do zero root? No, we just wanna do zero root at alright, zero root default. And we're gonna tell it after setup or after basic setup. Okay. Oh, oops. Sudo it. And if I do a ZFS list -t snapshot, we have our first snapshot now. And we can roll back the file system to it. We can also, the snapshot is located under a shouldn't it be here? Wait. Actually, I'm a bit confused. Or, so it is here, but why? Oh, it is here. Okay, but why can't I see it? There's no .zfs. Alright, so it basically is protected. Alright, so this was a little excursus into ZFS. So what we did after a lot of Googling, turns out the ZFS snapshots are located in a hidden .zfs directory, and you can ls and cd into it, but you can't actually see it. Probably you have to like give ls the right flags and so on. So it is protected a bit more than the usual your usual hidden directory, let's say. Okay, so pause.